Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're having a really good day so far. This is a brief video tutorial of how to attach the 5-stitch I-cord strap of the Opulent Plunge bra to the back of your garment. I have already started with making sure that I have that strap not at all twisted, nice and straight. So I've picked up just 4 stitches that correspond to 4 knit stitches along the back. And I'm using an extra needle here to hold these stitches together, and now I'm going to graft them in place. Now, I do an extra step beyond just grafting, and I do some duplicate stitches to really clean up the look of this connection. So we're going to go into this one first as if to purl, and the second here as if to knit, and then we're going to knit and drop that off, and purl and leave it on. And we'll pull that nice and tight. And then we're going to purl and lift this off and knit and keep that on. I will knit, slip, purl, keep, and we'll purl, slip, knit, keep. And we'll knit, slip, purl, keep, oops, don't let your stitches get wrapped around the needle, and we'll purl, slip, knit, keep. Oh, you see I keep almost losing my yarn out of my needle. I would use a longer end if you can. We'll knit, slip, purl, keep, and we'll purl, and at this point I'll just knit into this and slip it off and pull this through. Now this is where the magic starts, so we want to make sure that this is nice and tight, and you can see that I've somewhat stretched these lower stitches out of proportion. So we're going to go over the stitches that I stitched into with a duplicate stitch so that it looks a lot more clean. All right, now we're going to work along the back for just a moment, and I don't want my yarn to just wrap over this braid because it'll look a little bit unintentional that way. So I'm just going to intentionally drop my yarn through this braid. So it's not showing through the front, but it's not going to show along that back edge. I'm going to pull that down nice and tight. And I'm going to start by bringing my needle right in through here. And I'm going to pull that through. I'm going to bring it around and through these 2 stitches there, back through, and then up through the next. So we're just duplicate stitching these very wonky shape stitches, and I'm pulling it nice and tight to give them the same relative shape as the other rows. And this is going to be a really strong reinforced. All right, you see how I did that a little too tight on the graft. I gotta really get that needle in the right spot here. I'll just weave in this end to secure it. And here you can see the I-cord strap to the Opulent Plunge bra secured. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful to you in securing your straps. If you like this video, do please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you plan to utilize this technique in your future knitting. I hope you have a wonderful day and that you take care.